Hey guys, Robin here from Vancouver Island. I'm here to actually do an update on my YouTube channel overall. So if this is your first time here, you might be curious to know I'm a gardener. I've been a gardener for 15 years. I live on Vancouver Island and mostly I grow veggies. They are my absolute favorite. Such a joy to grow, and actually winter growing is probably my favorite just because it's so cool to have fresh vegetables in the winter. So I started this channel about a year ago, and I started it because gardening to me is a really peaceful, calm activity. I love it. Just the sound of the birds in the air right now is just so wonderful. It's a nice overcast, like 20 degrees Celsius day, really soothing my soul, and that is why I started this channel. Now, this last winter, I started another channel on basically living a simple, minimalist, kind of abundant life. And I loved that channel too, but I'm telling you, that's a lot. And I ended up starting to feel kind of overwhelmed. So yesterday I woke up, I had a long list of things I wanted to do. I wanted to get some begonias planted on my back porch. I wanted to get out and clean up my garden, which I still haven't done. I still have weeds and stuff all over the ground, but it's more important to get stuff in the ground. But so that all these things are on my list. Of course, there's laundry. I wanted to make a video for my other channel. I wanted to make a video for this channel. All of these things I want to get done. And it just sort of occurred to me as a person who's trying to lead a more simple, minimalist lifestyle so that I can enjoy life, that really wasn't happening. And I started thinking, like, what am I going to do about that? Because I have one life. I really want to enjoy it. I want to enjoy the time I have with my family. I don't want to be stressed. I don't want to be cranky. I don't want spending any more time on the computer than I already am. As much as I absolutely adore and love making YouTube videos, they're just a really fun thing to do. I love connecting with people. I love helping people. I love hearing how other people find gardening soothes their soul. Or how they love, having a more minimal lifestyle and how that soothes their soul. So, I'm trying to have the best of both worlds. I'm really kind of struggling in the process. So I was like, well, I'm going to have to make a decision about that. And so I just can't do it anymore, and I need to make a cut. I still want to encourage people to continue making healthy choices, and I still want to spend a lot of time in my garden, and I still want to spend a lot of time in my house doing the things I love and encouraging people to lead a simple, minimal, encouraging, abundant lifestyle. So what I'm actually going to do is merge the two channels. I'm actually going to bring the new channel and just put it on this one. So not a lot is actually going to change. I'm going to still have my garden tours and just chatting with you guys about how wonderful gardening is. The micro clover, that will totally continue, because if there's ever a minimal plant or a thing that's going to make your life easier, micro clover is it. And if you feel like that is not what you signed up for when you subscribe to this channel, I completely understand. But if you're interested in continuing to learn with me about leading a more minimal lifestyle, enjoying gardening, more on the minimalist style, and just connecting together and having a community where we can encourage each other to just sort of slow life down and enjoy life more, I'd love to keep seeing you here. There's lots of great content coming up, but I probably am going to change the name of the channel just so it doesn't cause confusion. So if you are interested in carrying on, make sure you hit subscribe, hit the notification bell, and keep subscribed if you already are, if you want to. If you don't, I completely understand, and I don't blame you at all, but I just have to do what is right for me, and I feel like that actually is probably what is right for a lot of my subscribers and viewers, because I think it will actually be really beneficial, and I think you'll probably like the way that I'm going to make this channel go. So anyway, I hope to see you soon, and check out this playlist right here, which is my minimalist playlist, so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And check out this video here. It'll show you my garden tours from last year, just so you get that little garden feel, okay? Go have a cup of tea, put your feet up, and relax. I'll see you later. Bye.